Done. Let's see what else I should do before leaving.
Hey, Susie, what's up? I bet you're looking forward to your trip with Roger. Why do you have Cookie's leash?
Hi, Sammy. I just dropped Cookie off at the dog hotel. They'll take care of her there while we're gone.
What? And who'll take care of me?
I think you can handle it. I filled the fridge, did the laundry.
But what about my treasure? Who will guard this?
Actually, I've got another thing on my list. Make a craft, and I think I know what it'll be. Let's go. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a cardboard dog that can guard your savings.
Wow, Sue. Does it mean this dog will bark or something?
No, Sammy. It will just serve as a piggy bank. Or you can call it a doggy bank.
Sue, can I give the doggy a name?
Sure, Sammy. It's your loyal guard. In the meantime, we'll take the templates that I've already cut out and bend across these lines. We'll do it carefully and firm, and our next step will be easy to make. Sammy, can you please help me and finish the other pieces?
Easy peasy, Sue.
And we'll connect all the seams and form the head. Use a hot glue gun. Be careful working with it. One can easily get burned.
I just finished this, Sue. You need it now, don't ya?
You're always on time. Guys, did you know that a dog's sense of smell is at least 40 times better than ours? Some of them are so good that they can even sniff out our medical problems, even COVID-19. Isn't that amazing?
Huh. Sue, maybe we should call our little dog Sniffer.
Maybe. Dogs' noses are designed that way so they can breathe freely and sniff at the same time, unlike people. All right.
Sue, I made this piece for you while thinking of a name for our dog. Here, take this.
Don't worry, Sammy. You still have time to come up with a proper name. We'll apply some glue carefully. It's easy, guys. We just need to connect these parts using hot glue. And here we go. Let's turn the head around and connect these sides.
What about Frank? Let's call this dog Frank.
I think I know what inspired you. Isn't that the adorable alien pug from Men in Black? By the way, guys, we're going to glue the neck now. Here we go.
Yeah, that bug wore a suit and liked to sing. I mean, how cool is that, right?
Right, Sammy. I wish our Cookie could sing too. Anyway, that dog and its name are really cool, but why should you repeat when you can create?
But it's a super agent's name, Sue.
Okay, Sammy, I agree. It's amazing, but I'm also sure you can figure out something special.
Here's the ear you asked for. Speaking of a special name, maybe Milo?
Isn't that the energetic, cheerful Jack Russell Terrier from the Mask movie?
Wow, Sue, it seems like you've seen all the movies in the world.
I'm just very attentive because I like dogs. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like them too. Did you know that the fastest breed of dog is a greyhound? They can reach a running speed of 72 kilometers per hour within just a few seconds.
So what? Did you know that a cheetah can get up to almost 110 kilometers per hour? Well, I'm gonna call my dog Cheetah.
Yes, but a cheetah can keep the speed for only 30 seconds. A greyhound can for 11 kilometers. Oh, you're missing something, buddy. Up, now we're talking. Looks great, huh?
I think something else is missing.
Oh, I know. Voila! The next step is the front legs. These two pieces look like butterfly wings. Up. Great.
Susie, what if I try to make hind legs?
I think you can do it even with your eyes closed. It's so great to make something with friends. In the end, you'll get not only a great mood, but an awesome craft, too.
That's true, Sue. The process becomes easier and more fun. I love doing crafts with you.
I like little tricks. What about you guys? Give a thumbs up if you do. Does it look familiar? These are the future legs of our dog. Oh, I can't wait to see the result.
Huh. Sue, what are those paw prints?
Check out the paws I made while you were inspecting the table.
Wow, it's so cool, Sue!
What about your part? Did you manage to finish the legs? Did you come up with a name? I hope you didn't forget all about that. Sammy!
Sammy, do this! Sammy, do that! What would you do without Sammy, huh?
I can't even think about it. I'm lucky to have you always by my side. Let's move to the second leg.
Susie, I've just finished with my part. Can you please help me? It's so big, I can't bring it myself. It'll be easier together.
Of course, Sammy, in a little while. By the way, did you know that cat people and dog people are very different? But what do they have in common? All of them love their pets. Give a thumbs up if you love your pets too. By the way, great job, Sammy. Let's connect the parts together and get the body.
Susie, but how will the coins get inside?
I've got that covered. See? This slit will let the coins in. I made it in advance.
So, then how will we get the coins out of our doggy bank?
You'll see, I just wanted to start that part. We need to make a box where the coins will fall and be stored. It's easy. We'll just glue all the pieces together to make a container. Carefully apply some glue here. And connect these two edges of the piece. By the way, guys, did you know that dogs can feel your state of mind? So if you're sad or stressed, they'll try to comfort you. Okay, now we'll close the box this way.
Nutella! Let's call the dog Nutella.
Now you decided to go over your favorite sweets?
Come on, Sue.
You'll find your inspiration. Let's make a tube-like box through which our coins will fall out. And yay! But I don't want all the coins to lie down there. That's why I want to make a special partition. We'll need 2 frames for that. Put them right here.
And what are these for?
Oh, thanks! These pieces will prevent the coins from getting stuck in the corners. I don't want Sammy to be worried that his coins can get lost somewhere inside the doggy bank. And it's ready!
It looks like we forgot about this piece. What do we do now?
Don't worry, Sammy, it's gonna be a tail. Every dog wags its tail. Our friend is not an exception. Oh, it will also serve as a lid.
It's time to assemble the doggy bank.
Let's go. We need to put the cardboard container inside.
Wow, Sue, you're doing great. Keep the pace. I can't wait to see the result.
Our next step is our tail lid. This is delicate work, guys. Be careful. And it goes right here.
Sue, what is this thingy? Did you lose it by any chance?
Yes! Thank you very much. That's our partition. Let's place it in the gap between the 2 containers. Now we need to secure it somehow. These rubber bands are the best solution.
Be careful, Sue. Don't break anything.
Here, everything's set, Sammy. Guys, it's time to put the head onto its place. Carefully, carefully. Yes!
Sue, this is the back, am I right?
Yes, it will hide the mechanism inside. Great. The only step left is decoration.
Did you say decoration?
Yep. I know you're a master at it, so I want to suggest that we work together. We need to paint our doggy bank so it will look more realistic. I'll take the muzzle, the chest, and the front legs. The rest is on you.
I'm in, Sue.
Let's get started. I want to paint the ears and the nose with black paint. Sammy, did you manage to choose a name in the end?
Yes, I have one idea. I think you're gonna like it.
Oh, I can't wait to hear the name of our little friend. Now let's paint the legs.
I'm a bit tired. I need some rest.
I want to add the shades to make the fur look much more realistic. Oh, now I want to have another dog. They're so smart and cute, and they're always happy to see you and ready to join you in any adventure.
Sue, it sounds like you only love dogs, but what about our hamster, spider, and cat?
Oh no, Sammy, I love them all equally. Animals are absolutely amazing. Guys, do you know the book The Little Prince written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry? There's a famous quote from it. You are responsible forever for what you have tamed. Here comes the final touches and done! Sammy, are you ready?
Of course, Sue.
Great! Let's take a closer look at our cutie. Sammy, are you ready to test our doggy bank?
I was born ready.
Then let's insert the coins. 2 and 3.
Now let's try to take the coins out.
Why not? Oh, by the way, Sammy, what name did you choose?
Our doggy bank will be named DIY.
Wow! Do you like it, guys? If yes, give a thumbs up and hit the bell button not to miss our next video.
Don't forget to subscribe if you want us to do new crafts.